you've got mail.
Yo, what is up guys, Zylon here. This will be the first episode of my new Tech Tips series, where in this episode I'm going to show you guys this really epic recorder. My friends Windows Top User and Lego Lover also are using it now, and it's pretty good screen recorder. It's free, it's easy to use. So yeah, I'm just going to show it to you guys right now. So let's get in. You want to open up your browser. So you want to go to whatever browser you're on, and you want to type in OCam. I'm going to type in OCam, and so here it should show OSoft. You want to click on this, and here we are on the OSoft website. So we're going to go on OCam and download, and from here, so you can see the minimum requirements, or the recommended specifications. Now, let me see my specifications, and yeah, that goes over that a lot. Wait, what the heck? Windows 10. What the heck is that? Anyway, so we're gonna go go on exe. So I'm a bit sick right now. OCam, download. I don't know how many freaking buttons we need to press. There we are. Save file. So save the file, and oh, look at that! It's already 9 megabyte file. Okay. Okay, and it just loaded. I had to start it as an administrator. So want to choose whatever language you want. Click OK. I accept the agreement. Click on next, and just let it download. So from here, okay, well, it brings you to the website. We don't really care about that. And look at that, the recorder's already started, and it's so cool. It's so epic. It's pretty good. And you can there's a lot of settings you can choose: FPS, quality, key, frame rate, game. You can limit FPS. I don't know why you want to do that though. You can resize it to whatever you want. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. Recording area. There's a lot of stuff you can configure here. It's really so cool. You can even add you can add watermarks. You can add webcam. You can hotkey settings. There's so much. There's also the hotkey settings. Effects, mouse effects, save. You can choose where to save the recording. So if you have a 1 terabyte hard drive, like I do on my other computers, you can just make it save there. That's pretty convenient. Recording time limit. Yeah, here's the watermarks, webcam, performance. It's so cool. There's a lot of video codecs here, as you can see. It's a pretty useful tool. So I would highly recommend you use this for videos. However, there's one thing we need to do here. I would say close that. Close the first. Okay, make sure it's closed. It's gonna open some crap. Just close that again. So OCam and open file location. Now you see this thing here, OCam task. You can just delete that. I don't know what it does, but it's some a weird program that's eats up system resources. You can still just use the program after uninstalling that weird. Yeah, see, it still works. You can make screenshots. You can do game cap. What the heck? You can don't show me. You can do game captures. You can do audio captures. It's so cool. Truly, resize whatever. It's so convenient. It's so easy to do. It's I'm gonna take a screenshot right now on my computer, and we're gonna click open. And look at that, here's the screenshot, and it's the same exact thing. I could freaking record right now. I think I don't have the correct graphics drivers installed, but I'm gonna see this recording. It's so epic. Look at that. Look at that. It's the same thing, but it's a video file. It's so HD. Holy frick! So guys, that's pretty epic. So verdammt, Scheiß. So, yeah, that's the video. Thank you guys for watching. Rate 5 stars. And I will see you in the next video. So, yeah, goodbye.